Can alprazolam cause anxiety? Although alprazolam is commonly prescribed to treat anxiety disorders, it is important to note that there is a possibility for it to cause anxiety as a side effect in some individuals. Alprazolam is a benzodiazepine medication, often known by the brand name Xanax, and it works by enhancing the effects of a neurotransmitter called gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain. This leads to a calming effect and can help reduce anxiety symptoms. However, like all medications, alprazolam can affect individuals differently. While it may effectively alleviate anxiety for most people, some individuals may experience paradoxical reactions, where the medication actually increases their anxiety symptoms. This can include feelings of restlessness, nervousness, and irritability. It is also worth noting that alprazolam can be habit-forming and may cause withdrawal symptoms if abruptly stopped after prolonged use. These withdrawal symptoms can include heightened anxiety, among other effects. To further illustrate this point, let's consider an example. Imagine a person who has been prescribed alprazolam for their anxiety disorder. While the medication initially helps them manage their symptoms and reduces their anxiety, they may find that over time, they start experiencing increased anxiety while taking alprazolam. This could be due to their individual response to the medication or changes in their brain chemistry. If someone experiences anxiety as a result of taking alprazolam, it is important for them to discuss this with their healthcare provider. The doctor may consider adjusting the dosage, trying a different medication, or exploring additional treatment options to address their anxiety effectively. In conclusion, while alprazolam is commonly used to treat anxiety, it can, in some cases, cause anxiety as a side effect or lead to paradoxical reactions. Each individual's response to the medication may vary, and it is crucial to communicate any concerns or changes in symptoms to a healthcare professional.